Assalamualaikum to Doctor and my fellow friend. So today Group 9 will be presenting about ISO implemented in the company of Marigold brand. So for the history, it first established as a Malaysian milk sediaan berhad company. Vitagen is the first cultured drink introduced in Malaysia, and on 2012, it closed to 40 years of operation in Petaling Jaya, and today Malaysian milk sediaan berhad is a leading dairy and beverage company with a wide range of products.
Proceed to background of Malaysia Milk Sendirian Berhad. So this company mainly produce a product such as milk, yogurt, fruit, and the others product. For the milk product, this company produce Marigold HL low fat milk, Marigold canned milk, Marigold UHT milk, and Marigold Moo Fresh. For the yogurt, it's produce Marigold yogurt, Marigold fat free yogurt drink. And for the fruit, it produce Marigold Peel Fresh, Marigold UHT 100% juice, Marigold UHT fruit drink. And for the others, it's also produce fruit jelly, Marigold milk pudding, and also Marigold Asian drink.
Description of Marigold Peel Fresh Orange. It is made from 100% of juice with pulp, rich in antioxidant, vitamin A, C, and E. It provides a quick boost of nutrition to Malaysians for every single day. Have no added sugar and available in different types of serving size.
Next is the vision and mission of Malaysia Milk Sendirian Berhad. The vision is to be a global leader in enriching lives through nature's own ingredients as food and nutrition for mankind. The mission is Marigold enriching the daily experiences of our customers, our community, and ourselves through the life-nourishing qualities of fruits and vegetables.
Okay, this is process flow of orange juice production, and the first process is harvesting, second is cleaning or grading, which is process remove debris and dirt, and the third is extraction. This process is important due to optimize the efficiency of the juice production process as well as the quality of finished drink. And the next is concentration process, followed by reconstitution process, and the next is pasteurization process, and finally is packaging or filling process. Usually orange juice has a shelf life of 6 to 8 months at room temperature.
Moving on to the element of ISO, the first element is the management responsibility. The quality policy is communicated throughout the organization, and then the quality statement are documented and advertised by the company itself. So the organizational chart and responsibility is also clearly stated. For the quality system, this company is supported by an efficient distribution and sales network. Their refrigerated delivery truck and vans travel the length and breadth of Malaysia. And for the customer needs and expectation, this company promised that product will reach retail outlet as fresh as the day they leave. For the contract review, this is a relationship between Malaysian Milk Sediaan Berhad company and the customer. For the verbal contract, it done by the company by using fax, confirmation message, or confirming over the phone. For the design control, it involved the document and data control. They documented all the document, including electronic document and data system, have an adequate security or backup procedure.
The next element is element number 5, which is document control. Document control is about creating and maintaining procedures to control all documents and data related to the requirements of this standard. Example of document is about document about the stock available for raw materials in order to produce orange juice. It is to make readily available both process or methodology documents and product documents. It is also to control changes to documents. Next element is element 6, purchasing. Purchasing procedures describe supplier requirements and the system for ensuring compliance to these standards. For example, to produce orange juice, Marigold will need to describe what products are ordered from supplier, such as oranges, sugar, and preservatives. Next is the handling of purchaser supplied product. It is to establish and maintain procedures for verification, storage, and maintenance of purchaser supplied product provided for incorporation by the supplier. Procedures detail methods of handling and safekeeping of products supplied by the customers. Next is element 8, which is product identification and traceability. It is the methods of tracking date and lot codes of product and raw materials from start to finish. Products can be identified easily if a recall or other activity is required. For example, when finished product is done, they will be given tracking date and lot code. So if events such as product recall happen, it will be easy to detect and trace where it's.
Alright, for the process control, the company is able to demonstrate that the overall process in a control. And to ensure this process is carried out in a controlled manner, the process must well documented and staff is well trained. And for inspection and testing, we need to have to check the characteristic or parameter of the chemical composition and physical dimension, inspection of equipments or instrument to be used, testing method, instruction and identification of the person. For inspections, measuring and test equipment, we need to identify the measurement to be taken, their required accuracy and the equipment to be used to make sure the measurement, and calibrate inspection and test instruments, establish documents, use measuring equipment in suitable environments, handle and preserve equipment to preserve accuracy. And then for inspection and test status, we need to ensure that the system used is defined as part of the process specification as written in documented word, and ensure the personnel who operate process related to this segregation system, and ensure only product that have passed the required inspection test are shipped or put into the install.
Control of non-conforming product, when the manager appoint the committee member to authorize the disposal of NCP and determine the appropriate disposition method to be used. Other officers responsible to control NCP in their unit, and all process should be documented. Corrective action, where detection through protocol and manuscript review, inspection, testing, customer feedback and complaints handling, quality audits and procurement process. While the corrective action through segregation, containment, return or suspension of position of product and services, inform the customer and obtain authorization for acceptance under submission. Handling storage, packaging and delivery. Choose a good quality ripe orange to avoid any changes in final product. Washing and grading of orange to prevent any possible hazard. Inspection, cleaning and sanitize the equipment are done every day before and after the process. Store at chill or frozen temperature. Convenient or portable packaging in ensuring conformance to requirement and the quality is protected following final inspection. Quality record, all the information and procedure of identification, collection, indexing, filling, storage, maintenance and disposition of quality record are documented and established as a proof that the quality system is effective and records are readily retrievable.
Okay, the next is element 17, which is internal quality audit. All internal quality audits are planned and documented by our own staff. This element should be audit at processing line. Our staff also check whether the application do what they promise and follow the documentation or not. All the result of the audits we are documented and show all the follow-up responsibility. Timely corrective action is taken by management personnel responsible for the area audited. Okay, the next is element 18, which is training. All staff need to be training and exposed to their department. Top management should take any initiative to expose about training requirement to our new staff, and the personnel should be qualified by experience or training. Training records are maintained. For example, each staff need to get training every 3 years. And the next is element 19, which is servicing. The performance and verification of our orange juice servicing the product meets specified requirement. Mission and vision of our product will be customer satisfied and fulfill all the customer need. For example, our orange juice not too sweet and sour and not too bright in color. Okay, the last element, which is statistical technique. A program for application of a statistical technique is in place to ensure consistent quality. The use of statistical method in our organization is to monitoring and maintaining of the quality product and services. Okay, this is our reference, and that's all from us. Thank you.